In the trial of Lori Vallow Daybell, opening statements were made and 3 witnesses took the stand. Vallow Daybell's first day of trial as her own attorney saw its fair share of objections from state prosecutors.
Did you have a conversation with Alex on the way to the police station?
Yes.
Objection asked and answered.
And did he express...
Hold on. When
Sorry?
there's an objection.
I'm sorry.
Wait for the ruling.
2 of the first Chandler police officers who arrived on scene and a Chandler firefighter who gave CPR to Charles all testified on Monday.
You're checking this for responsiveness. You can move the patient. You're going to check for a pulse. Now you're closer to the chest. You're looking for breathing, seeing if you see the chest rise and fall. And we would call him unresponsive and pulseless and apneic. Apneic meaning not breathing. And then I would have started CPR.
Prosecutors allege that Lori and her brother Alex Cox, who shot Charles, planned his murder for money and religious beliefs. Lori and Alex claim the shooting was in self-defense after a fight broke out at the Chandler home they were all in that 2019 morning.
Okay, and are you wanting to start CPR?
No, I don't know how to do that.
I can walk you through it.
Okay.
That was part of Cox's 911 call. He later told police after he shot Charles, he washed his hands, put his gun away, called 911, and started CPR. But the firefighter who performed CPR on Charles testified that there were no indications anyone else had done chest compressions before him.
Based upon your training and experience and what you observed and did in this case, would you agree that it was highly unlikely that anyone had performed CPR on Charles Vallow prior to you doing that?
Yes.
And court picks back up at 10:30 tomorrow morning, and we'll start with Vallow Daybell's cross-examination of that Chandler firefighter.
Any idea what we can expect from that cross?
Well, the judge was going to go ahead with cross today, this afternoon, but Vallow Daybell said it was going to take a while. So a big focus in her cross-examination of one of the police officers was asking him why he didn't do CPR on Vallow. That officer responded that it appeared he had already been dead, and protocol says wait for the paramedics and the firefighters. So I would imagine that's kind of where she's going to go, asking what the protocol is. Why did you guys wait so long to potentially do CPR? Meanwhile, Cox had initially told investigators that he had done CPR initially right after he called 911.
All right, there's intense